Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Fox. A quick reminder that you can join our new Discord group. The link is available in the video description. You can sign up for free to obtain daily signals and essential information about crypto. We have a VIP section within the group which you can unlock once you sign up for the general group for free. Just click on the Become a VIP member button and you're good to go. Also available in the description box is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin and any other cryptocurrency of your choosing with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. When we talk about altcoins, we're referring to other cryptocurrencies aside from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency. It's known to be the crypto industry leader. And the movements of other cryptos tend to rely heavily on the growth or decline of Bitcoin. But now and again, altcoins claim the spotlight during the so-called altcoin season. Dogecoin is one of the top altcoins often mentioned in the same breath as Ethereum, Cardano, or XRP. Like these, Dogecoin has experienced its significant price lift, which also led to increased trading volume in the last 3 months. As a Dogecoin investor, you don't need a soothsayer to show you the evidence of the massive gains that Dogecoin has recorded since February this year. We understand that most Doge investors are new entries into the crypto market and may have never gotten the slightest idea of what an alt season is. Let's briefly describe what happens in the alt season. An altcoin season is a period that signals the short end to the dominance of Bitcoin over the alternative coins. Comparing single cryptos to Bitcoin will yield little argument. There's greater traction moving towards the collective action of every other cryptocurrency against that of Bitcoin. What happens in the alt season is a gradual decrease in Bitcoin's market cap compared to the overall market capitalization of other crypto assets on the market. Altcoins are generally more significant in size than Bitcoin, with some of them recording impressive gains over time. The alt season also documents the dramatic increase in the prices of several altcoins irrespective of their values. In measuring the start, duration, and end of alt seasons, percentages and numbers are of grave importance. They're not factual, though, and should not be relied upon for making future predictions. Precisely what causes an altcoin season isn't exactly known. What most people believe causes it is that after an extended period of Bitcoin price movement upsurge, as it diminishes, people tend to sell off the coin and buy altcoins instead. This may be attributed to why the price of altcoins grows massively. Dogecoin has been seen as a significant driving force for a possible alt season with the massive craze behind its investor interest and the direct backing by its patron Elon Musk. The ongoing NFT craze and maybe the Ripple versus SEC case as well. No singular event can take credit for this season. Dogecoin is suitable among the top cryptocurrencies with over 70 billion USD worth of market cap. It is the fourth ranked right behind Ethereum and Binance Coin, which have been trending recently. Dogecoin is growing to greater extents if the suggestions about the alt season are accurate. Ethereum is currently showing major gains, with its price surging close to $4,000. Massive gains often succeed the altcoin season in the price of altcoins, and it may spread over accumulated profits going over months. An analyst says that if an alt season starts, we might see Dogecoin rake in an accumulated gain that may push its price to as high as $100. A foray of Dogecoin to 10,000 might be a possibility in an alt season that probably runs up to a year or more. But we can't be sure whether the gains accumulated in that period would be sustainable. It's possible we would experience a crash like that of the alt season we experienced in 2018. Analysts speak out that the growth of altcoins this year has been incredible, but it may not be the vital signs of an impending alt season. The reason may be because Bitcoin is still in a bull market of its own despite its dip. It shows that there might still be some time before a real alt season kicks off. And with more people heavily invested in altcoins, the alt season might grow much higher and continue much longer than the first one. Many low-cap altcoins have gathered momentum, with investors buying large amounts of them for the long term. However, Bitcoin is still very much the most preferred crypto among the crypto community. According to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin's dominance has to be broken by at least a few altcoins. Ethereum is touted to be the significant component of the altcoin community that could drive the altcoin market towards breaking Bitcoin dominance. Dogecoin is another crypto fast rising to replace Bitcoin in some spaces and adoption and even popularity. With either Ethereum or Dogecoin trending up in price and investor support, Bitcoin will trend down and concede a percentage of its dominance. If Bitcoin goes back to a tearing run, the altcoins are bound to lose some of their accumulated gains. If the opposite happens and we break this expected range to the downside, from our point of view, this will signify the altcoins are the asset to be sitting in, as they will generate outsized returns relative to Bitcoin. That's when things will get wild. Expectations are different for each altcoin that will partake in the alt season. If an extended alt season starts successfully breaking the big impositions of Bitcoin, Dogecoin is bound to be one of the cryptos that will show up as top performers in the market. Its gains have been well over 20,000% in less than a year, without the influence of an alt season. Dogecoin might very well reach $250 in the extended bull run under the alt season. It could very well become a direct competitor with Bitcoin, and not just part of the altcoin market. This will happen in more than one bull market anyway. Exposure to Dogecoin and other altcoins is growing, and the altcoins will be pretty impressive. The more investors buy Dogecoin, its liquidity will continue to pop up. This will eventually free it from the stereotype that ties most altcoins to Bitcoin, as it generally insulates itself against an attachment to Bitcoin price. All altcoins, and not just Dogecoin, will deviate from Bitcoin performance later in the future. We're looking to see a repeat of the 2017 alt season once again this year. A sustainable system of high returns could pave the way for the upstaging of Bitcoin in the long term. Dogecoin could grow by hundreds of thousands of %. Once the alt season starts, it will only take a couple of hours or days for Dogecoin to hit historic highs in what would be an excellent period for every crypto investor. If you own other altcoins, you're in a more significant position and ensure that you add Dogecoin to your portfolio. In this chart showing the total market cap of the rest of the crypto market excluding Bitcoin, we can see altcoins are dragged upwards by Bitcoin's momentum, sure. But there's a clear crossover point around the end of January 2021, where Bitcoin's rise, the orange line, starts to falter. And it is instead the altcoins, the blue line, that begin to pull away. The altcoin price trends are starting to have a life of their own. The total altcoin market cap stands at around $1 trillion, and it doesn't look like it would dip anytime soon. Analysts are wondering if an alt season is well and truly happening. These are the signs that the altcoin season might last much longer, with increasing independence of Dogecoin and other altcoins from Bitcoin price action. According to You Today, it's not just the odd private investor investigating which cryptos could break into our current crop of top 10 crypto assets by market cap. It's entire investment bank trading desks, teams of analysts, and many new investors buoyed by the Coinbase bombshell listing to plunge feet first into crypto. In his reply to a tweet that compares Dogecoin to Bitcoin, Tesla CEO Elon Musk opined that the meme cryptocurrency would win hands down against Bitcoin if some significant changes get implemented. Particularly, Musk wants Dogecoin's block time and block size to increase 10 times. Both Bitcoin and the Shiba Inu-inspired coin have an arbitrary set block size limit of 1 megabyte. However, Dogecoin was modeled to have faster transaction times than Bitcoin. Instead of 10 minutes, miners can churn out new blocks every minute. But that isn't enough for the billionaire. Musk also wants Dogecoin's transaction fees to drop 100 times from where they are now, an improvement that would make the cryptocurrency more attractive for commerce. As of May 15th, the average Dogecoin transaction fee is about $1.59, which is 824% higher than 3 months ago. In a separate tweet, Musk claims that creating his coin from scratch would be a pain in the neck. However, he'll be open to the idea if Doge fails to deliver on his expectations. Musk also claimed that he was working with Dogecoin developers to make his favorite coin more efficient. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on the video, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Don't forget, you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Do you think Dogecoin will break out soon? Let us know your answers in the comment section down below, and also share with us any suggestions or questions you may have. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.